So today I'll be showing you how to make this cool 2D outline effect that I'm using in my upcoming animated film. So making it in Blender is very easy. So we'll start by selecting your object and opening the Geometry Nodes tab. So first we are going to start with an Extrude Mesh node, then we are going to follow it up with a Flip Faces node, then after that we'll follow it up with a Set Material node that will connect to the final geometry. And then for the Set Material node, what you're supposed to do is for this one you'll select the material that you want to use for your outline. Once you've done that, now you'll select the Group Input node, duplicate it together with the Set Material node, and then connect them as shown below. Then after you've done that, you'll find a join geometry node, and which you'll connect both Set Material nodes to join into. For the second material node, what you want to do is select the material of the object you just selected. So once you've done that, what you're going to add next is a map range node that will allow us to animate the outline and how it looks. So we start with the map range, then connect it to a noise texture. Then the noise texture, what you want to do is connect it to a math node and set it to divide. So you'll select the math node and then set it to divide. So next you need to add a scene time node, which will allow for the animation to be controlled by the scene time. You can select seconds of frames depending on which works best for you. After you've done that, make sure you change the noise texture to 4D, then connect the math node to the W factor. So once you've done that, you'll have something that looks a bit odd, something like this. So what you want to do is go to the map range node, play around with the values, though you have to note that this depends with the topology and scale of your object. So find a value that allows you to start seeing the model. Then what you want to do is go to the Extrude Mesh node and turn off the individual option. That will allow you now to start seeing the outline forming clearly. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to your timeline, then play, see how it plays. So if you're not happy with it, you can play around with the map range nodes to play around with the shape of the outline, and then for the scene time and math node to control the intensity of the animation and the speed of the animation. If you want to learn how I made the art style feel hand painted in 3D space, you can like and follow for more Blender tips and tricks.